Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to save a post on RedNote. If you come across a post on RedNote that you like to view again later, you can save it to your account for quick access. To get started, open the RedNote app on your phone and make sure you have signed in already. So once you open the post, what you need to do is, and next you need to browse your home screen, or you can simply use the search feature in the top right. As I'm simply opening any of this under this For You page, and select open, and what you need to do is, and after that you need to select in the top right corner of this icon, and here there's an option for the save. Simply tap onto the save, and that is it. That's how you can save a post on RedNote. It's an easy way to keep your favorite content organized so you can come back it whenever you want. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.